Hello, I am Dr. Todd Hoover, Director of Corporate Wellness for HowToConnect.com. Welcome to the heart of your corporate wellness program. Let me give you a short tour. Our How to Connect wellness team combines hundreds of years of medical experience. In our practices, we have found that each individual has unique healthcare needs. You are a complicated blend of mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual strengths and weaknesses. By understanding the nature of your particular blend of health, risks, and concerns, we can help you create a personal map to wellness. Let's start with the 4 specific steps to success. 1. We start by measuring your current level of health. Then, we help you map a wellness strategy. We help you to achieve your goals with support and information. And we help track your progress as you move towards success. Your very first step will be to complete several short health questionnaires. These questionnaires give you 3 important pieces of information. First, a picture of your overall current level of health. Second, an evaluation of risks to your health. And third, a measure of your work and life satisfaction. I see patients every day who are completely overwhelmed by all the health information available. We have designed these 3 tools to help you focus on the areas of your health that need attention the most. Let us help you develop a simple wellness strategy that is uniquely designed to your needs. This is a great time to get started on your way to better health.